Perfecting Customer Care with Actionable Call Center Data. Actionable Call Center Data is the means of analyzing the information that moves through your contact center every day. It involves everything from phone calls logs to instant chat logs to social media mentions and email click-throughs. Each piece of it is important, offering the means to better interact with your customers and prospects. Organizations of all sizes can benefit from actionable call center data. Small businesses, startups, and large corporations all use this data to gain deeper insights into the customer experience and improve their operations. Perfecting actionable call center data requires ongoing monitoring and analysis of KPIs in order to identify trends and develop strategies for continual improvement. The most important step is to establish an effective system that collects key performance indicators, KPIs, such as customer feedback, call duration, resolution rate, customer satisfaction ratings. Finally, it's important to have clear processes in place for responding quickly and effectively to customer feedback in order to improve operations and build loyal relationships with customers.